So guys, this is my 1971 Buick Skylark. After the Hot Rod Power Tour, I noticed that my radiator was leaking and I had a warranty with Cold Case. They sent me out a new radiator and I had some leaking issues that caused a mess. So it took some time to clean up the engine bay a little bit, get rid of some painted valve covers, change out the intake from TBSS truck intake to a Holley, what is that? That's a Holley low ram. But in doing that, I had to change out the alternator bracket. So I ended up getting an ICT billet alternator bracket. And right now, I'm just, while I'm in there, new water pump, new thermostat, making sure everything's clean. Test fitting some different coil brackets and hoping to get it back together this weekend. Gotta clean up my working surface. Trying to do this after work and going a little fast. So parts ended up everywhere. But we'll get it back together and get it back on the road. Do some nice cruising. Getting ready for next year's tour, but hopefully many more in between this tour and next tour. But she performed flawlessly. I built her right here in this spot, in this garage, and ended up doing 3,600 miles on the power tour, and never overheated, but the only damage was a little cracked seam on the radiator. So gonna get a new radiator in and clean it up, and she'll be as good as new.